you don't know what masks are, don't worry, I can explain. So just like your favorite superheroes, right? They wear masks to cover their faces or hide their identity, except the Incredibles. I don't know what they are doing there. A mask can show a certain part of your face, just like in Batman, who shows this part of his face, or Incredibles, who show everything except their eyes, or who again? Spider-Man, who hides his whole face. All right, and I'm going to show you one thing. I'm going to just take a solid color back layer here. I'm going to let this color be red, and as you can see, red fills the whole screen. It's because, not because of anything, but this is what we call the mask, this little thing here. If a layer doesn't have that, let me delete the mask here. You can actually create one by clicking here. So now we have a mask applied to it. All right, if the mask is white, it reveals the layer, so the layer is actually red. Let me delete the mask first. So the layer is actually just showing red. The moment I added the mask, nothing happens because it's still a white mask, and the white mask will reveal whatever the layer is showing. But the moment the mask becomes black, you can see black and black. It hides that layer effect, so the whole red has vanished, you know. But the red is still there, just that because we've worn the mask on it now, we've hidden the face, we've hidden the real color, the red. If I invert it, Command I, Control I, and it becomes to white, it shows, you know. So white is like taking off that part or revealing that part, and black is like hiding that part off. So let's say I have a, you know, white mask here, and then I go ahead and choose my brush tool and select black. All right, black. If you don't have that, press D to reset it, and then you can use X to toggle between black and white, or the foreground and the background. And I come here having black in my foreground, and I have a big brush here. If I start painting around with black, you can see I'm hiding certain part of the mask, and you can actually see it having effect here in my mask. You can see the black that I just painted appearing right here. All right, so let's just say I say, oh no, I made a mistake, I want to reverse it. I can quickly just switch to white by pressing X here, white, and then I can actually paint white over it, and guess what, it's revealing the red as it should, you know. And I say, oh no, I wanted the previous one. I can just take back my black. You can do Ctrl Z, but I'm just showing you what masks do, and I can just paint Venom eye here and Venom eye here. Yeah, so that's the whole concept of masks, and let's see how we can apply that here. So this effect that we have here has affected the whole image. How do I know? You can see the greens. When I have the effect on, the greens just go away, and I don't want that. I want this effect to just affect what we call the teeth, Z-teeth. All right, Z-teeth of the person. All right, so I'm going to take my brush like we did initially, come to the image. This is too big a brush. You can go to the top left corner here, click here, and reduce the size of the brush. All right, and make sure you use a what we call a soft round brush. All right, you can click on soft general brushes here. We have it in here. Click on that and click on soft round. It has a hardness of 0, but I want to add some hardness. Okay, say 20 or 25, and come back to my image, zoom in, and then now I'm going to invert the mask so that the effect is now affecting anything. Then I can use white to paint only over the areas where I want it to affect. So now I can come here and start, you know, painting my white in. Alright, so yeah, so some of them might be subtle depending on how good the person's teeth is. Apparently he has some okay teeth. He brushes 2 times, so that helps him. Do you know who brushes once? The guy who actually needs to go and see the dentist. Doesn't make sense. I need braces, I need teeth whitening, I also need money to do all of that. So subscribe so YouTube can pay me something. Alright, and if you've watched this video up to this end, please make sure you like this video for me. It means a lot to me, and it means a lot for the people who also need to watch this video to upscale. Alright, so What I've just done quickly there is make only the teeth white. I can actually go to the eyes and paint the chance that there'll be yellow in the eyes, so I remove all of that here and there. And if I do the before and after, you just look at the teeth. You can see before, look at this, the teeth before, and this is the teeth after. Super clean, super sweet, super spot on. Give your image the chance to believe. If you want to learn how to retouch an image from Lightroom all the way to Photoshop, I have a video that I made to do that exactly for you. You can check that video out by clicking on the link above here. Check that video out, and I'll catch you in the very next one. Peace.